Good. Hey guys, Dr. Jason Tirado, your West New York chiropractor. Thanks for being here. Today I'm here with my son Blade, and once again, and it was his birthday just the other day, and big 20, big 2-0. That's right. Yeah. There we go, big 2-0. And so he's back from college. We did some skiing this weekend, and we are going to go get him adjusted. Good, so right hip is really rotated. Alright, just stretch out your lower back first. Alright, you might want to come a little closer. Ooh, it's popping like crazy already. Alright, so I'm going to go right into his back. Okay, I'm just going to stretch the other side, just like this.
Your hands are cold.
Yeah, sorry my hands are cold. Oh, there we go. Alright, let's bring it right down here. Legs down. Good. I'm gonna roll up my sleeves a little bit. See, we got the fireplace going on right over there. Right. First thing we're gonna do, I'm right inside this thoracic region, so I want you to breathe in really deep. Breathe all the way out. Let it go. Good. We're gonna go a little bit higher. Breathe in. All the way out. Let it go. Good. Good. Excellent. Okay, we're going to go right inside the upper back, right inside this region. So just relax just a little bit and lean your head to the side nice and easy. And just relax your shoulders. Right inside here. Good. Back here. Good. We're going to go right inside the upper back. And just relax just a bit. A little more. Good. Good. Excellent. Good, when you come right on your side, face me right over here. Give it a little pillow. Cool. Back is already popping already. Okay. Just gonna scooch him, bring it a little closer. Right. Contact that lower back area. Breathe in for me really deep. All the way out. Let it go. Good. There we go, good. Let's go on the other side, nice and easy. Okay. Excellent. Good. Yep, so we went skiing yesterday, so your back is a little tight. Roll you forward. Just breathe in for me really deep. All the way out. Let it go. Nice, nice. Come lay right on your back, face up. Good. And just relax the hip joints. So we went skiing yesterday, so the body's a little sore. Ooh, that hip just popped nice and easy. Good. See if we can get the ankle. Just relax inside here. Right inside here. And relax it. Okay, relax. Good. Okay. Come right inside here. Also, relax the ankle. Good. Let's adjust the hip joint if we can. Let that drop down. A little more. Good. Let's come over here with your wrist. Relax the elbow a bit. Let it go. Inside the wrist area. Good. Each finger. Good. Let's do the other one. Same thing. Relax that elbow. Good. Relax inside here. Good. Good. Come right there. Relax. Okay, we'll take this pillow out. So the skiing beat you up a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
Getting old.
Especially those rails.
You're getting old. Come right inside there. Okay. turn you a little bit. Just open up that joint. Come right inside here. Relax a little bit more. Just let it go. Good. Good. Come back in here. Okay, try to come on the other side. How you doing so far?
Great.
Good. Come right in here. Turn it on. Relax those muscles a little bit. Good. Relax a little more. Open it up. Good. Breathe in. Out. Good. Good. Cool. Come and sit up for a minute. 2 and 3. Arms on that side. Just gonna check your shoulders a little bit. Relax a little bit. Just gonna stretch. Look like you've been working out a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. So relax inside here. Just gonna come out and in, get the shoulder, let it go. Good. A little pop in there, you get a little scar tissue inside there. Stretch inside here. That's tight. Good. Come right inside here. Go out and in. And just relax here. Good. Just relax. Good. All set. How was that?
Great.
So obviously you can tell he's been working out lately, and let's see if we can give him a quick shameless plug, because you got a workout program coming on pretty soon, right?
Yeah.
And why don't you tell the people about that?
It's called the Project Alpha. Check it out on Instagram.
And when is that going to debut? When are you going to release that?
April 16th.
April 16th.
Yeah.
The Project Alpha. Go check it out. Don't miss it. It's what is it? A workout program?
It's like a workout program that trains your body, your physique, and also your mind too.
Okay. All right. And is it for girls and boys?
It's for everybody. Everyone wants to be the alpha.
What about old guys like me?
Yeah. If you want to become an alpha, then yeah.
Okay. Well, if I want to be alpha, I got to join the Alpha Project. So you got it. You got the Alpha Project here with Blade Tirado, and I'm Dr. Tirado, West New Chiropractor. I'll see you soon. Jason Tirado. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe, and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel by checking out my Crackamaniac t-shirts by clicking on the link below. And also, I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon, and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what? I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.